So I wanted to take a moment and highlight the dual lenses on this camera. This thing is really great because you have one lens that's going to be static, a very wide angle. It's going to capture everything here. And then you have this other one that's more of a zoomed in shot where you can go all the way around about 270 degrees, just giving you a great and high quality field of view for your space. So I do think that it looks really nice. And I do love that you do get the different points of view, so you can really spin this thing around and capture a lot, just making sure that you have all of your angles covered, and that is really important. Plus the high quality image that it gives you, and also notifications and also lights, and it is solar powered as well. So all you need is the Wi-Fi connection and you are good to go. You can put this wherever you need to, where it's connected to the Wi-Fi, and yeah, it does everything you need and has that great quality. It's just really good. Highly recommend it, and thanks for watching.